Have you been taking multivitamins every day thinking they are keeping you healthy and youthful? Or perhaps your doctor once suggested a supplement and now it's become a part of your daily routine? But what if I told you that some vitamins can actually harm your health, especially if you are over 60? Yes, you heard it right. The same vitamins that are meant to protect your health may actually put your liver, kidneys, and even your heart at risk when taken incorrectly or excessively. In today's video, we will discuss the worst 4 vitamins you should never take after the age of 60, and I will also share what you can do instead to keep your body strong and balanced naturally. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy, and I heartily welcome you to the Liver Expert Global YouTube channel, a platform where I discuss health, wellness, natural diet, yoga and holistic healing practices to help you live a disease-free life. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon below so you never miss our latest health updates. Now let's begin. Alright, so the most important question that I think we must know is why older adults need to be careful with vitamins. See, I know vitamins are a must-have dietary supplements we need to take. But as we age, our body's metabolism slows down, digestion weakens, and the way our body processes nutrients changes significantly. You might think popping a few vitamin pills daily will fill the nutritional gaps, but that's not always true. In fact, after the age of 60, certain vitamins and supplements can build up in your body, become toxic, or interact with medications you might be taking for blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, or heart problems. The biggest mistake older adults make is taking vitamins without knowing whether their body actually needs them. So, let's look at the 4 vitamins you should avoid after turning 60 and why they can be dangerous to your health. So, the first vitamin you need to be cautious while taking is vitamin A. See, a vitamin A is essential for your vision, immunity, and cell repair. But when taken in excess, it becomes toxic, especially for seniors. After 60, your liver becomes more sensitive and may not process vitamin A efficiently. Excessive vitamin A, especially from the supplements, can accumulate in your liver and lead to symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, blurred vision, nausea, joint pain, and in severe cases, liver damage and bone thinning also. Many older adults unknowingly take multivitamins that already contain a high dose of performed vitamin A. When combined with dietary intake from sources like milk, eggs, or fortified cereals, it can cross the safe limit very easily. Instead, supplements you can consume carrot, pumpkin, papaya, and spinach for vitamin A. Vitamin E is often advertised as a powerful antioxidant that protects against aging, heart disease, and memory loss. But did you know that high dose of vitamin E can actually increase your risk of bleeding and stroke? After 60, the blood vessels and platelet function change. Taking vitamin E supplements above 400 IU per day can thin your blood excessively, especially if you are already taking blood thinners like aspirin or warfarin. You can include almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados for natural sources of vitamin E. Well, vitamin B6 could be harmful for you. It's true. While vitamin B6 is essential for brain and nerve health, too much of it can damage your nervous system. In older adults, the recommended daily allowance is about 1.5 mg per day. But many supplements contain 25 to 100 mg or more. Over time, this excessive dose can cause numbness, tingling in hands and feet, difficulty walking, and loss of balance, all symptoms of nerve toxicity. This becomes even more dangerous if you already have neuropathy from diabetes or vitamin deficiencies. You should fulfill your vitamin B6 requirement with foods like bananas, chickpea, potatoes, and fortified oats rather than supplements. Now, the fourth and the last vitamin is vitamin D. I know you are surprised to know this, but this is a fact. Vitamin D is one of the most common supplements among seniors because of its link to bone strength, immunity, and mood. But what most people don't realize is that too much vitamin D can lead to calcium buildup in your blood or hypercalcemia, which is a dangerous condition that can harm your kidneys, arteries, and heart. After 60, your kidneys may already be working harder due to age-related decline. Adding unnecessary vitamin D supplements can cause kidney stones, calcification, nausea, muscle weakness. Many older adults take vitamin D with calcium supplements without monitoring their blood levels. This combination, if overdone, can be harmful. Can you fulfill your vitamin D requirements with foods like mushrooms, fortified plant-based milk, and flax seeds in your diet? And you can get safe sunlight exposure for 12 to 20 minutes daily. So rather than relying on a pill, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, colorful, and plant-based foods. Your food already provides the vitamins you need in the right proportion with natural cofactors and enzymes that your body understands and utilizes effectively. So friends, if you are over 60, remember this golden rule. Don't take vitamins just because they are trending. Take them only if your body truly needs them. Excessive intake of certain vitamins can do more harm than good, affecting your liver, kidneys, and even your heart. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Liver Expert Global YouTube channel for more health-related videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy. Namaste.